Hi everyone, welcome back to Gedo. Today we will show you how to replace the charging port board on the Xiaomi Redmi Note 7 Pro mobile phone. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn off the phone and then follow with the back cover removal. To remove the back cover, it needs to heat gently around the back cover edges until the paste adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cursor on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Once the heating has completed, use a suction cup cleaner opening between the frame and back cover. Next, insert plastic carpet tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. While opening the back cover, be gentle. The fingerprint plug connects with the back cover. Next, take out the bracket by undoing 3 screws and then disconnect the battery plug. Next, take out the back cover by releasing the adhesive and disconnecting the fingerprint plug. Next, take out the speaker cover by undoing 8 screws. Next, pull out the not working charging port board by disconnecting the main flex, antenna head and the screw. If the board is holding tight, apply some heat to soften the adhesive. Next, gently pull out the charging port board from the body. Next, place the new charging port board on the body and then secure with the screw. Next, secure the main flex. Next, place and secure the antenna head. Next, place the speaker cover by adding 8 screws. Next, secure the fingerprint connector and place the tape on the back cover. Next, secure the battery connector and place the bracket by adding 3 screws. Next, before installing the main back cover, make sure it has enough glue. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided back adhesive. Finally, we are adding binding clips to tie in the back cover with the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide and let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.